So I legit didn't know until just now when I opened both of these OnePlus 6Ts up and put them next to each other side by side, and I felt the texture and the difference between the two devices in my hand. I didn't know. I didn't know which one I wanted. I didn't know which one I was going to use. I didn't know which one I was going to try to activate. And I'm glad to say I settled on the Midnight Black. Mirror Black is beautiful. Over here is the OnePlus 6 with the little carbon fiber sanded backing on it, really nice. And this has got the kind of black mirror finish as well, and it's gorgeous. It feels great in the hands. It's light, it's thin. This is, I wish I could say last year's model, but technically it's this year's model, because OnePlus seems to be coming out with 2 phones every year. What they do is they launch a phone and then they absorb the feedback from the community and their customers, and then they launch another phone mid-year with the updates, kind of like the refresh, the mid-year refresh. Nothing wrong with that. But it does beg the question. The question does come up. Should I wait for the T version if I'm gonna stick with OnePlus as a brand, or do I just roll with the punches because they're $500, $600 phones and they're not crazy expensive? Let's get into it and let's examine it and let's try this under the screen fingerprint reader. That's what I'm most excited about. I've never used one before. This is like brand new for me. All right, change positions really quick. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys as I actually set up this fingerprint reader. This is kind of a really cool thing about this phone. They have an in-display fingerprint reader. If you didn't know, now you know, and it's super cool. Fingerprint added. Easy peasy. Here we go, guys. The OnePlus 6T. It's absolutely gorgeous. It feels phenomenal. I love the backing on this. Let's go ahead and just get that sticker off before it sticks on there too much. Yeah, I love the backing of it. Really quick, we have our slider, our notification slider. So that's one of OnePlus's signature items. Again, like we all seen and heard, no headphone jack, so that is a bummer. We got a couple awesome cameras right there. We've got, I think it's a 16 and 20 megapixel. Let's just go ahead. Let's give this screen unlock a little try. That's pretty quick. As always, we are doing a giveaway. That is right, we have a giveaway coming up and it's gonna be mid-December. So go ahead and get your entries in. Follow the link in the description if you're looking to get entries. You don't have to participate in the giveaway. I'm just glad you're here and I'm glad that we're hanging out together. For the love of tech, namaste.